So in this video, we are going to assemble the shock absorber. So we have to open assembly and insert the part. So I have already opened an assembly, new assembly, by using this one and click this one, assembly. Then okay. And then insert component. So I insert component. He will ask you to browse. So I select all. Okay. And then here it is. You got the coil spring, you got the piston, you got the adjuster nut, and the cylinder. Okay. So we are going to mate them. So first to mate, I will going to mate this adjuster to the piston. Okay, mate. So I will select any circle. So this circle can be used, and also this space, and we make them concentric. Okay. So we can also make this one screw. So on the mechanical mate, you got the screw. So we select again this circle and then select this base. Alright, so make them screw. So check. So if I'm going to rotate this, okay, wait, I fix first this one. Fix. Alright, so I rotate. If you notice, it is screw in. Okay. So on the screw, we edit that sketch, right? Revolution distance, because of 3 mm, we have to put 3 mm. Okay. There. Check. So 1 revolution is equivalent to 3 mm. Alright, we make it fluid. We close, we make it fluid. Then I put on the middle. Alright, so I put on the middle. Alright, and from here I will mate again. So this line, okay, and this space, I just make them lock. Okay, check. Alright, so cannot be locked. So let's clear this one. Delete. Select this one. Check. Okay, so we clear selection first. So we select this part and we select this part to make it lock. Okay, and then check. Alright, it's already locked. Now I can put my cylinder. First, I have to move. So I cannot move. Let's see. We close. We must make it fluid. Alright, so it's fluid. Now we are going to rotate. Okay. Alright, check. Now we make it concentric with this one. Check. Now we are going to make a distance. So to make it possible, I will fix this line again, this cylinder again. So I fix. Alright. So I can move this. So this is my spring. My spring now is very big. This spring should be only up to this part. So therefore, I have to edit my spring. Or I can edit the cylinder a bit. The piston is already there, so that is the maximum. So if I put the spring here, alright, we need the spring to be until here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I make it 7 mm only. Alright, so I open the spring, we edit this line, edit. So this 120, I make it only 70, enter, and then I have to delete this line. Okay, delete. Alright, close, continue and ignore, close. So the sweep cut we edit, so we make it only 7 or 6. Okay, check. Alright, close. Yes, yes. Alright, so now we can make, I put purge. We go now make this line and this cylinder should be concentric. Okay, check. Alright, we go there, and then this line. Alright, and this line coincident, check. Okay, now we close first the sketch, and then we are going to edit this line. So this one is here, so we expand. So this sketch one, this one edit, save and continue. So we save this as shock absorber. Alright, save. Now we are going to give relation to this point and to the circle edge of this point. Control. So they should be coincident. Alright, check. And then close. Then close. So now it's already, the mate is already done. So our shock absorber is dynamic. Once we adjust this piston up, okay, we click here, the spring will follow. We compress the spring, okay, we click here, the spring will follow, right? So we make it the spring dynamic. So our assembly is already done.